for today's video mga kabyukoneras. Narito ang latest ganap sa mundo ng beauty pageant. Ang bato ng Pilipinas para sa Miss Reina Hispano-Americana 2025 na si Daya Mate. Tinumog ng mga media and press people during her send-off press conference. Present din ang kanyang mga kaibigan, lalo na si CJ Opiasa na nagbigay ng advice at naging trainer din ni Daya Mate sa kanyang latest pasarela. Nagpakitang gilas din si Daya Mate at pinakita ang kanyang galing sa communication skills during her send-off interview. At higit sa lahat, sobrang stunning at elegante pa niya tingnan sa kanyang looks, suot ang pulang gown. Narito ating panoorin ang mga kaganapan.
Yung anxiety also, I mean, with the competition, the international competition, of course, it's going to be a big responsibility for you to represent the whole country, to bring all the Filipinos, to bring pride as well. But I don't want you to think every day na you're there, I need this, I need to do this, I need to do that. No, I want you to enjoy and just feel the whole journey. And Filipinos are really proud of you already, you know, representing the Philippines there. I know it's a big responsibility. Every day you're going to question yourself also. And at some point, you're going to ask yourself what you need to do. Do I need to change anything at the very moment where the pageant is already ongoing? But always go back to your core and just be yourself. I know you're really driven, and that's something that I really resonate with you. Because you have so much passion and determination also. So you can win the crown and you can take home the crown with us. If not, it's okay. You're still a winner for us, you know. But we are praying for you. Everyone's rallying behind your back. This is for you, Dia. So good luck on your competition. Anytime you need help, just message me. I'm on board. I love you.
Proudly advocate for using music therapy as a tool to heal mental illness. So growing up, I experienced depression, I experienced anxiety, and that's something that really hindered my growth and development growing up. But the one thing that truly helped me was using art as a way of therapy, and it was the safest way for me to do so. So I would write songs at home. Lately, we were so grateful enough and gracious enough to have JB Music sponsored new music instruments to Cripps Foundation. So last December, they went with me to visit the girls. We were able to donate several guitars, bass guitars, ukulele, piano for the girls to use because they don't have any new updated instruments in the facility. And it was very amazing to see the girls' reactions. They were so excited, and I also can't wait to go back to teach them with these instruments as well. So the best advice, other than really focusing on yourself and trusting yourself, is to enjoy. Because of course, if you're too focused on winning the crown, you're not going to enjoy the process of it. You're not going to be able to live in the moment.
Mga Byokoneras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.